How to set up Brother sewing machine for beginners. This is Brother sewing machine model LX27NT. I'll show you basic functions from plugging to your first stitching. This Brother machine requires a table or workspace to place it. It is portable. This is the on and off button. This is the foot control. It comes as part of the machine. It basically controls speed. If you press it down fully, the speed is high. Press it gently and the speed is medium or low. This goes onto the machine, connecting it to the power source through this plug. So let me plug it and power on the machine. Then it lights up. See? Yeah. Bobbin. It is a spool that once you wind a thread to it, works as the bottom thread. This is the main thread onto this spool pin. Pull it up when you want to use it, then down when not in use. On the machine are guides that are easy to follow, so let's do it. From the spool pin through the pretension disc, so I take my bobbin, pull the thread through this hole from inside, leave out 2 to 3 inches of the thread, place the bobbin on the winder and move the winder to the right. Please note that if you don't move it to the right, it won't wind the thread. And it's winding. That's it. Threading. Just read, relax and follow the arrows. Now press a foot lever up, then take it behind, pull the needle up. This hand wheel on the right moves the needle up and down. Anti-clockwise pulls up the needle. It has an automatic needle threader which I mishandled and now needs to be fixed. But let's do it manually. It also has a thread cutter on the left side here. Install lower thread. To install the threaded bobbin, press and pull backwards the cover. Drop it inside the bobbin compartment. On the left, then through a control slit, then close the compartment. Using the hand wheel, turn it clockwise so that the needle picks the bobbin thread from below. Push both threads behind the presser foot. Now you are ready to sew. These are a few of the stitches it's able to make. Now take a fabric, be confident, place below needle, press down the presser foot, make your first stitches. Choose your desired stitch style and that's it. First 4 stitches, do a backward stitch to secure your stitches. Repeat at the end of it again. All you need is foot press on the foot control lever or pedal. Yeah. For more, please read your user manual. Good luck and see you on the next.